Okay, we're gonna do a red violet clock. So let's see, this is light magenta of Artist Loft. This is Winsor & Newton Galleria permanent magenta. So I have two magenta, a red purple violet color which is called Liquitex Heavy Body Muted Violet, and this is a darker purple color called Permanent Blue Violet. And Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Titanium White, white. Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. We have a mixture of colors that are transparent, semi-transparent, and opaque. And you can find in the color will tell you if it is opaque or semi-transparent. For example, in there, this one is semi-transparent and this one is opaque. So the color will tell you if it is. Okay, so this one is transparent and this one is transparent. So these two are transparent, this one is opaque, this one is opaque, and this one is semi-transparent. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put first an opaque, then we're gonna put a transparent. Let's put the one that is semi-transparent. Then we can put the one that is opaque. And semi-transparent. And opaque. Okay, do that order. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. We're gonna torch. Bringing too many cells. Oof, lots and lots and lots and lots of cells. So I stop because there's too many cells. So that's a very good formula. I'll show you how pretty. Look how pretty that orange. This has to be pink. Let's move it this way so we don't lose that beautiful. We have to move it this way anyway because there's an ugly caterpillar in there. Let's lose it. There was too much painting here. I may lose that gray area. Let's see. Let's bring them back. It was a good formula. Just gonna leave it like this and let them grow a tiny bit. This clock turned out so pretty, so pretty. Can you see the numbers? It dried like that. At the beginning you couldn't see the numbers, but now that it's dry you can see them. I covered with tape the back, and I'm gonna leave that tape until I have finished putting all the resin, because this will be resin. And I love the cells that formed. I think that was a great recipe. And this color combination is so pretty. I have to do it again.